Hi everyone, it's Carmelita from JeffandCarmelita.com, and today we are going to share with you a Canva trick and tool that has recently shown up in the Canva update. Now, how many of you love those GIFs that you see when you're using your apps and on your phone and on the website and different social media platforms? Well, today we're going to show you how to create a GIF in Canva. So let's get started. We're going to go to create and do one for Facebook. I'm just simply going to pick a picture that I previously have uploaded, and we're going to use that as a GIF. So let's pick one of these since it's going to be for social media. And let's get this to size it up here. And we're simply going to go over here. Now you're going to go over here and click on publish, and that's where it shows the different types of downloads that are now available. And just under the Twitter, under publish, it says animation and GIF. So we're going to click on animation and GIF. And you see what's happening? It says publish the design as an animation, and then it asks us whether or not we want the fade, pan, block, rise, breathe, slide, or simple. And let's click on them and just to see. That's the fade. This is the pan. This is the block. This is the rise. This is the breathe. This is the slide. I kind of like the slide or the fade one. I like how the slide got a little tilt to it. So let's go with the slide one. And then we're going to, it tells you to what type of file. So you can do it as an MP4. So that's if you're going to want to do it as a movie, and you can post it to YouTube, or you can just simply do it as a GIF. So we're going to do the first one as a GIF and check it out. And then we'll come back and do another one as an MP4. That way we can load it to YouTube and Facebook. So let's check it out, see what happens. And it's almost done now. And Albert Einstein, creativity is intelligence having fun. That's super exciting. I'm super excited about this GIF because this is my first GIF that I'm making, and I'm excited because I saw that new feature that they have to offer today in Canva. So we're still waiting for it to process. And I look forward to seeing some of you all GIFs after this presentation. So be sure to share it in the comments below, the GIF that you're making, or share the link to your GIF. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And while we're waiting on this to finish processing, make sure you check out the link below this video to check out our #1 recommendations for building a business online, and building a business online with high ticket items that would help you to grow your business fast, but work at a diligent pace and not work as hard as when you're having lower ticket items. So we're still waiting for that to be processed. And we had snow today in Texas, believe it? We really had a little snow today. That's exciting too. And it looks like it's moving kind of slow. I guess I shouldn't have filmed this after 2 a.m. in the morning. But it will process. Preparing the design. And I guess next time we will select a MP4 to see how fast that processes. That Canva is just coming up with a lot of updates and neat things that you can do with Canva. And this GIF one just really excited me because I see so many GIFs when I'm posting on Twitter, and you see all the GIFs that are in your app on your phone when you're making posts on the social media and using Facebook and using Instagram. So now that the GIF is finished, it's saving to the computer. So it's finished as soon as it's done. Now we're going to go ahead, while that one's finishing process, we'll go ahead and save it as an MP4 file so that we can upload it to YouTube. And like I said, I like the slide one better, so I'm going to go ahead and hit that one. Good design is good business. Thomas Watson Jr. Okay, now we have the animated GIF down there. I guess I could have added a little bit more. I could have added some words to the GIF, and that would have helped too, but I didn't want to do that because it really had social media already on there. So let's check it out and let's see what we have while we're waiting on the MP4 to process. All right, here we go. Let's check it out. And one thing I could add on there, I could have added our JeffandCarmelita.com as representation of our website and our business. So I may go back and add that on there. So we're just waiting for it to upload so we can check it out. And I'm doing this on a Mac now, so it may be a little different than using a regular PC. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Oh, that's interesting. You see that? How the picture just slid up. And it looks like the GIF is 1, 2, 3 pictures. I'll tell you what, well, let's go post it to Facebook and see how it turns out there. So let's go over here now to Facebook. And we're going to go to our Jeff and Carmelita page. So be sure to follow us on Facebook. There we go. And let's get this GIF added. Okay, we're going to go to photos. And let's see if we can just drag it on in there. And it takes a little minute to upload new things to Facebook before it plays. So let's go ahead and put a note on here. And how to make GIFs on Canva. So we'll come back and update it and upload this video to it. If we can upload the video and the GIF at the same time. We may not be able to do it. Might have to do it as a separate post, but Facebook still hasn't let the full thing upload there yet. So we're waiting on that because it's still in this status here. because the blue button would be publish, and it'd be blue all the way through if it's ready to go. So while we're waiting on that to do that, let's go over here to Twitter and be sure to follow us on Twitter as well. And let's see if Twitter will let us upload the MP, since it's not a long file. See, perfect. It's working fine with Twitter. Let's put, did you know you can now make GIFs with Canva.com? Here is a sample. Check out our YouTube page for the video. Some hashtag Canva, hashtag GIF. Okay. And then let's test it out. Oh, that is sweet. But you know what? I'm going to go back over here to Canva. I don't want to upload that without our logo at the bottom of it. So we're going to go back over here to Canva and add our little text box in here. Let's do it. Let's see. All right, let's add that in there. You want to make sure you put your name on your products in your pictures so that no one can just simply come use what you have. I know we share things on social media, and the purpose of sharing things on social media is so it can be shared, but you also don't want to lose out on getting exposure to your business, for your business, after you've done that hard work of creating that product. Or look at that, the letter didn't cover right there. Hold on. Creating that product or picture or photo, make sure you get your name on there somewhere, somehow, so they know where it came from. So let's see if we can put a picture on there too. Let's find our logo picture to stick on there too. Be just another minute. And that's simply how you create a GIF with Canva. That's super exciting. That was quick, that was simple, and you can do it too. Now, thanks for watching, and be sure to hold tight while we finish this other little piece to the GIF, because you want to make sure you put your information on your GIF, especially if it gets shared. You want to be the one that gets you credit for your product that you created. Okay, and here we go. Which one I'm gonna put on here? It'd be this one over here. It's taking a minute for it to load. And so I'm simply adding our transparent picture on here. I'm gonna make it smaller. And it's gonna go over here in the corner. All right, and let's see if I can shrink down our logo there too. Get that a little centered. All right, that's good. All right, we got it centered. Let's get it saved. And we're going to call this our Twitter GIF. All right, that's just fabulous. And now we're going to save it. And now we're going to publish it again. The GIF took a little longer than the MP4, so we're going to go down to the slide one because that has more of a to it. So let's download the MP4 first. That is something we'll be able to add to Instagram, and we'll be able to add that to YouTube. That really makes that picture come alive by creating a GIF for it. Super exciting. Good designs is good business. Thomas Watson Jr. That's pretty neat how Canva gives you those quotes, and you can just take that quote and add it to your picture. All right, we have that one done. Now we're going to download it again as another GIF. So, of course, we want to go back to the slide one, change the format to animated GIF, and hit it. Do one thing every day that scares you. Eleanor Roosevelt. That just simply means getting out of that comfort zone, getting out there, helping people. People helping people is where it's at. We're almost done here. Just sit tight. Looks like our MP4 is already finished. And we're just waiting on our GIF to finish, and we'll upload it with the logo and our picture, and then we'll get that on Twitter, and then we'll be done with this video. And I want to see your GIFs below this video. Okay? All right, here we go. Just a few more minutes here. Let's see. Now, there's lots of things that you can do with Canva. You can do your quotes. You can do your daily quotes. They have, when you upgrade to Canva, the Pro version of Canva, you get access to having a whole list of folders that you can create to organize your files. So you can have your Instagram, your Twitter, your Facebook, and now you can have your GIF folder or your MP4 folder for your other photos. So let's go ahead and get the GIF now that it's finished. And let's go ahead and get back over here to Twitter. We'll take this one down and X out of it. And then we'll just simply add the other one. So we'll go over here to the photos. And it should show in our recent downloads. Let's go to the recent folder. Takes a little minute. All right, so this was the first one that we downloaded, and then this is the second one that should have the picture on it. Oh, it says it's too big. So adding the pictures made it too big. That's interesting. Let's see. Let's try it again. Let's just try it this way. Because it wasn't a very big file at all. Where did the MP4 files go? Just a minute. Let's see what happens with the file is not big at all. So let's check it out. Let's see if we can upload the video. That should be able to go because that's smaller. There we go. But hey, this is not showing our pictures. Let's check it out and see what it does. Ah, that was cool. It flashed them in. That was pretty neat. Let's check it out again. Oh, you can even trim it if it was too long. That's a pretty cool GIF. We're gonna go with that GIF. Now, with the GIF, I also want to post a link. And since right now we are promoting our Facebook Messenger training, so let's go back over here and grab that link so we can promote that link also. We're going to stay on this page. And I'm going to go to a previous post. Just going to grab that link to add to the GIF. And it's right in here. Now be sure that you guys try out this 30-second survey and join us on Wednesday's night webinar for Messenger Domination Part 2. And here we go. This is the live animation of that bot here. So that's the one we're going to use. And be sure you check it out. It's a 30-second bot that can help you grow your business online. And let's go over here to social. I'm going over to social because I want to shorten the link. I'm going to change the link. Oh, I may not remember my password on here. Let's do the bitty link instead. All right, here we go. I'm going to create. Oops. There we go. See, you don't have to be perfect to do these videos. And this is the Messenger survey. 30-second survey. Okay, and then put that on here. 30-second survey. MSG 30-second SUR survey. That looks strange, but it's not. And then we'll add a few tags in there. Messenger, Facebook Messenger is a good one. Messenger, ManyChat, and 30-second. And 30-second survey. All right, now we got that done. We're going to save it. We're going to copy. And then we're going to go back over here to Twitter. Add it in Twitter. So now we got a full post for Twitter. And we have it. Did you know you can make a GIF with Canva.com? Here is a sample. Check out our YouTube channel for the video soon. And then we put our 2 hashtags and we put our link. And we tested our GIF and it works. That's fabulous. And let's hit tweet. And it says sending to Twitter. And it's sent. Now we're going to check out what it looks like. And you see how on Twitter it just says see one tweet. And that's, check out our free book as well. It's got some great tips in there. And there it is. That is just fabulous. Look at that move. That is cool. I really like that. All right, thanks for watching. Again, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies about how to grow your business online and how to make money online and different strategies for social media, networking, and affiliate marketing and growing your business. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.